This is Tomioka Town in Fukushima prefecture. Tomioka Town being within the 20-kilometer radius of the Fukushima No.1 nuclear plant, government prohibited people from entering this zone at the time. As you can see, there are many cars parked. This area is still restricted for residency, which you're only allowed to enter during daytime. The town still wishes for the people to return. Therefore, they opened a commercial building. For the people to come back to this town, having places to buy food and supplies is a must. This is why they are starting a new mall here to reconstruct the town. The town plans to have 4,100 people to return by 2025. But according to the survey, only 16% wishes to return within 3 years. And 50% do not wish to return to Tomioka Town. The town is trying to make an effort for the recovery of this area by opening up new commercial buildings like these. There are 2 convenience stores, 3 gas stations around this area. This commercial building is focusing on the food first. As you can see, there are many customers inside. It's the lunch hours just now, therefore there are many people. This mall just opened last November, and this is why you can see some grand opening flower baskets. As for the menu, there are egg and chicken rice bowl, ramen, and coffee. There aren't much variety of menus yet, but they will continue to make an effort for the reconstruction of the town.